panino di polpette di ieri. So I had some meatballs left over, and I even had some ciabatta rolls left over. I'm reheating the meatballs. I am toasting the ciabatta bread, so you see it just like that. A little bit of oil in a hot pan, and you just flip it over like that. You see how nice and toasted. Put a little weight on it so it completely touches the bottom, gets nice and crispy. So while that is finishing, let's And 1, 2, you nestle them in nicely. 3, that's a lot of meatballs. I would put a little bit of sauce, and you don't need a lot of sauce. Now, meatballs like that whole are beautiful, but if you want a more secure sandwich, you can go like this, and we can go like that. So this way, it doesn't roll all over you, just like that. Okay, so I think that will hold a little steadier. A little bit here. Voila. Let's see the other one. Nice and toasty. So, 1, 2, 3. We certainly can cut it. Okay. So, now I want some cheese. Of course I want some cheese. You could put mozzarella, you could put all kinds of cheese, but you know, I don't mind just grated cheese and kind of get nice, long gratings from it, just like that. That should be enough. And like that. A little fresh basil, just for freshness if you'd like. So now the question comes pulling it together. And I think, you know, something like this looks good. So, which one should I take? So you see, if you put the mozzarella cheese, I would put it in the oven open like that and let the mozzarella melt. But I think this is delicious. Where do I begin? Haha, this looks like a good corner. So let me get it all ready and settled. And I'm pretty neat. You know, whenever you bite into a meatball sandwich, make sure you have or a plate or a board, or if you bought it someplace that you have, you know, the paper that it was wrapped in, because inevitably pieces of meatball will fall and you will collect them and you will eat them. Is the menu on my face?
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.